Hey, hi everyone. This side Kapil. FATF is in news because India said that it will hand dossier on Pakistan to get it back on grey list. So first we need to know what is FATF. FATF is Financial Action Task Force and is a policy framing inter-governmental body established in 1989 on the initiative of G7. Its headquarters is in Paris. And the work of FATF is to combat money laundering, terrorist financing, and the financing of proliferation and other related threats to the integrity of international financial system. Okay, so it is the work of FATF. Currently, FATF has 40 members and over 200 jurisdictions have committed to the FATF recommendation through the FATF style regional bodies. Pakistan is not member of FATF but of Asia Pacific Group of on Money Laundering, the largest FATF style regional body. India is member of APG as well as of the FATF. So this much is static information you should know. FATF has 40 members. India is member of FATF as well as APG, whereas Pakistan is not member of FATF but member of Asia Pacific Group on Money Laundering. So as I mentioned earlier, FATF has two lists. One is grey and other is blacklist. So in blacklist they have three countries: North Korea, Iran, and Myanmar. And in grey list they have 25 countries including Kenya, Monaco, Nepal, South Africa, Vietnam, and so on. So what is meaning of grey list and blacklist? Grey list means countries which are acknowledged as safe haven for supporting terror funding and money laundering are put in FATF grey list, and jurisdiction under increased monitoring. So countries which are in grey list, they are monitored very closely, and blacklist like it serves as warning to the country that it may enter the blacklist. Okay, so grey list means when any country enters here, it serves as warning and countries acknowledged as a safe haven. And blacklist means countries known as non-cooperative countries are entered into the blacklist, and these countries support terror funding and money laundering activities. So that's all about FATF, and I think I have covered static information with current scenario. Okay, so you have to attempt this question and you have to give answer in comment section. I hope you will complete this task. Thank you for watching this video.